What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Sasha Talia. So I want to say a big thank you to everyone who has been subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. It makes me so happy just to see like people actually subscribing and everything. Like, it just makes me feel great. It makes me feel like, you know, really good about myself that you guys are wanting to see more when you subscribe. So make sure to click that bell as well. That way when I post videos, you get a notification when I'm posting. I am now posting Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, which is so hard for me to do because I mean, I do work and stuff. So, and I get tired and all that stuff, but I want to be dedicated. Like, it's what, it's almost 8 o'clock, I think, 9. To me, I'm like in bed by 9 or 10. So I like go to bed early, but I feel like as I was like putting on my base and stuff, I'm like, I'm super dedicated and like I love doing this. It makes me feel so comfortable, like it zens me out. Like playing with makeup and just talking about it makes me be myself pretty much. But let me stop rambling. Let me show you what we are gonna be playing with today. So today's palette is gonna be the Smoke Sessions from Melt Cosmetics. This packaging is super cute. Sorry, there's like a hair in my hair. This packaging is super cute. So it has a nice mirror in there for travel, and then look at all of these beautiful shades. How stunning. You have your 2 mattes, and then you have your 6 shimmers on your golden side, and then you have the blue green shades in here. So let's go ahead and play with some eyeshadow, and let's bake our under eyes because I'm pretty sure this might have a little bit of fallout, but let's see. Okay, so today I'm baking with the Jeffree Star Magic Star powder in the shade Fair. Just gonna apply that to our under eyes. So I know in my other video, I look crazy with this powder, but in my other video I had said that I was gonna watch Lucifer that came out on May 5th, but then after the video I went to go on Netflix, and then I was like, oh, this comes out May 8th, and that was yesterday. Today's May 9th, and I still haven't watched the new season, and I'm messing everything up because Lucifer is such a good show on Netflix, like such a good show. I might actually try to watch some of it tonight and see how they picked up the storyline of it. So if you guys haven't watched Lucifer on Netflix, you guys need to get on it because it's a good show. It makes me laugh. The love, I don't know, it's just like a lot in there that oh shit that I really enjoy. Okay, so I'm gonna take a Morphe M505 brush, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Sour Diesel, and that is like a brownie greeny, like in person looks like a brownie green shade. And I'm gonna apply this to my crease. And this does have some fallout, like, so just take your time with it. So how is everyone doing? All the new subbies, how are you guys doing? I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. Okay. So you have to have a light hand when you're using this shade to blend it. When you're blending it upwards, use a really light hand. That way it blends out really nice. To the other side. I think this palette was maybe around like $40 40-50 bucks, I want to say. I'll link it down below if it's still in stock, because they did release this on 420. My camera stopped recording, and because my card was full, but that's okay. Don't remember what I was saying. Yeah, so this shade Sour Diesel looks really browny green, and then when you put it on your eyes, it looks more of a greenish tint to it. I'm gonna go in with the shade called Space Queen, which is the other matte right next to it, which is like a bluish green. And this does have fallout on the pan, so just dust off any excess. And I'm gonna apply this to the outer. I like how pretty. And the shade is really, really pretty. So what are y'all's favorite palettes out there? What is your favorite palette that you love and is your go-to palette? Which I feel like that's a hard question. That's a hard question for me. I think for an everyday, my Natasha Denona Camel palette, that one has my heart. Yeah, that one has my heart. It's just so simple, but it's just so pretty. Okay, I brought the shade over to the crease in the inner corner as well. Okay, so we have a few shades in here. Let's swatch some of these. We have Gravity OG, that one, Granddaddy, Black Widow, and this is all Black Widow feels very, it feels gritty, like more gritty than the other ones. The other ones feel smooth. So this is the Black Widow, Granddaddy, and Space OG. Really pretty shades. Then we have Mean Green, Sweet Tooth, and Blue Dream. So Mean Green, Sweet Tooth, and Blue Dream. These are all so pretty. And since I already have this side swatch, I'm gonna go ahead and use this, and I'm gonna go in with Mean Green right in the center. Oh wow, that is gorgeous. Ooh, wow, that's really pretty. Okay, let's apply it to the same other side. Wow, that pigment. I'm so happy I got my hands on this palette. That pigment though. And then on top, maybe just a dab, like in the lash line, we'll do Sweet Tooth. Wow, that's pretty. So we're gonna do the bottom lash line, and I'm gonna do the same thing that I did on the top and just do it on the lower. So going in with Sour Diesel, I'm gonna use the M507 brush, and we're just gonna apply that. And then with my finger, take Mean Green. And we're gonna run that on the bottom. For the inner corner, I'm gonna take Blue Dream and just apply that to the inner corners. And let's wipe away this excess powder. Glue on my lashes, and I'm just waiting for them to get tacky. But let's go ahead and move on with the lip. I'm gonna go ahead and use MAC Peach Stock. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. My label had scratched off, but I'm pretty sure this is Peach Stock. And then I'm gonna take the gloss Major Glow Lip Shine from Patrick Ta. This stuff is so nice and just so juicy on the lips. So let's go ahead and put on Peach Stock on the lips and just dab it out. Just like that. And then let's go in with Major Glow. And the name of this one is She's Expensive. Lip is so pretty. I love wearing this lip to like work and everything. Yeah, it's just so juicy. Like, who doesn't want their lips to look juicy? Like, it looks so pretty. All right, so let's wait on these lashes and then the look will be complete. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look using the Melt Cosmetics Smoke Session. I really like this palette. Next time I want to use the other side with the gold tones, but this green and everything is just so pretty. So with the two matte shades, you really kind of need to work it in and stuff. Use like a light hand, but once you blend it out, it's super pretty. And like I said, if you need other shades, just grab them from other palettes. But this palette was super cute. I'm really glad I got my hands on it and everything. The lashes that I put on are Batty Bee lashes in the style Extra. These lashes are so freaking pretty. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you want to see next in my comment section down below. I am always open to buying new products and seeing what you guys want me to try out before you might buy it. If you did enjoy this video, give me a big thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. Come on, subscribe to my channel. Don't be a shady lady, and press that notification bell right next to that subscribe button. That way when I post, you will get a notification saying that I posted. And then as well, I'll go ahead and link down my social media accounts. That way, if you want to follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, you can do so. And I hope to see you guys. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.